Cooking can be as complicated or as easy as you want. Mushroom soup, proper fresh whole mushroom soup. Pan of water, mushrooms, give them a rinse and then mucilate. The smaller you make it, the faster it cooks, the more efficient it will be. How long you boil it for is your choice. You can boil it for 10 minutes and it'll be more consistency to it. But the most efficient way is to boil it until you get left is a liquid goop. That way you're not wasting any of the nutrients. Your body hasn't got to work as hard to absorb and digest. That is it. Mutilate your rinsed mushrooms and boil it. If you want to add stuff to it, add stuff to it. You don't have to. That's mushroom soup. No equipment required, just a willingness to get gunky. Cost of the grapes, cost of the mushrooms, I think it was £2 for a fair sized punnet. If you want something that's all exactly the same size, exactly the same consistency, exactly the same flavour, go to McDonald's. You want ultra processed where everything tastes exactly the same. That's it. I generally give it about half an hour. And that is the kind of colour you end up with. And it tastes really, really nice. And a bit steamy. But what you can do as well, if you just get yourself some rice, croutons, or any of the flour-based type stuff like noodles and things, just put some of those, pasta, that's the word I was looking for, pasta. You put some of that in there as well to bulk it up. You can add salt, you can add pepper, you can add raisins, you can add whatever you want, your mutilated remains of your ex-girlfriend. You can do what you want to it to add flavour. But on its own, that is basically mushroom soup. Water and mushrooms. And quite hot. Wow. So that is now switched off. You could, if you wanted, build yourself a little campfire, use some of your stockpile of cardboard, and cook it outside. Just to save a bit of money.